Hey, what's up everybody? Kelly here at Handy Paisa. This video we're going to repair this picnic bench. As you can see, it got completely destroyed. Here is the piece. As you can see, it basically got chewed away almost. So I got myself a 2x2 piece of wood. We're gonna take this off. We're going to put a new piece in. We're going to drill holes for the bolts again that go to this right here. And we're going to put it back together and tighten the picnic table. So stay tuned and let's fix this together. So first things first, we need to take this piece off, and using the piece of wood, I'm going to cut one that's the same length, drill some pilot holes. Looks like on a good day, this is 9 1/4. So I don't know why I measured. I should have just picked up the piece of wood and traced the line. Now that we have our piece cut, I'm going to use the old piece and basically use it as my pilot hole guides so that I can drill in the exact location where the screws need to go. Now I can finish them out. Now I need to drill out the holes for the screws to bolt it together to the frame. Looks like we're dealing with a 1/4 inch. I'm going to feed the screws through, make sure I line them up right. I forgot to countersink these holes. Not too shabby. Use some lock washers here. See if it helps keep it in place. Alright, now we can put this back on right here. Alright, now we can tighten the table and we're good as new. Tell you what, this Klein Tools pass-through wrench is really useful. You can see it's got a hole so that you can pass any bolt that's long, and you'll be able to tighten it without having to use a combination wrench. Nifty little tool. I'll add a link in the description below to one of these. Here is the finished product, all fixed, repaired, ready to go. Not too shabby. Had all the, well really all I needed was just that 2x2 that we already had, so turned out very nice. Kids will be happy tomorrow when they come out to eat lunch. Alright. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. And subscribe to see any new projects that come up. Thanks for watching. See you all later.